Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Microsoft Authenticator accounts safely, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer your Microsoft Authenticator accounts safely, start by backing up your existing accounts. Open the Microsoft Authenticator app on your current device. Navigate to the settings by tapping on the three dots in the top right corner. Select Backup from the menu options. Ensure that Cloud Backup is turned on. This will save your account information to your Microsoft account. Next, download and install the Microsoft Authenticator app on your new device. Open the app on the new device. Sign in using the same Microsoft account used for the backup. You will be prompted to restore your accounts. Select the option to restore from backup. Wait for the restoration process to complete, which may take a few moments. Once all accounts are restored, verify that each account is functioning correctly. Perform a test login for each account to ensure 2FA works seamlessly. If you have accounts not supported by Cloud Backup, you'll need to set them up manually. Use the QR codes or setup keys for these accounts from their respective services. After transferring or setting up your accounts, it's critical to remove them from your old device. To do this, open the Microsoft Authenticator app on your old device. Select each account individually and choose the option to delete. Confirm the removal when prompted. Finally, make sure to keep your new device secure to protect your accounts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.